Hey everyone, I am Flora Medula Victoria, and today I'm going to talk about this instructional material and how it is aligned with the language and education policy. So, this instructional material is focused on magic words. Please, sorry, thank you, excuse me, and may I. These words directly support key goals of modern language education policies. And these are fundamental for clear and polite communication. It is a core tenet of communicative competence emphasized in many such policies. Furthermore, their use is relevant for social emotional skills like empathy and respect. These skills increasingly recognized as vital alongside linguistic proficiency. In the classroom, these words cultivate positive learning environments, while their application prepares students for respectful real-world interactions. Finally, while cultural nuances and politeness exist, the underlying principles of courtesy are universal, making the teaching of these words a valuable contribution to cultural understanding and sensitivity. Therefore, this instructional material aims and aligns perfectly with the broader aims of effective language education. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. I am Halima Sarip, and I am going to critique this instructional materials and how it is connected in our ELT2 subject. This instructional materials is a visually appealing poster presenting idioms with some illustrations. The use of cartoons makes it engaging for learners, especially secondary students. These IMs connected to our ELT2 subject entitled Language Program and Policies in Multilingual Societies in such a several ways. First, let's start with the language variation. The poster highlights the diverse nature of language, showcasing idiomatic expressions that are specific to a language or culture. This aligns with the subject's focus on multilingual societies and the variations within a language. Let's move on to the curriculum development. The poster serves as an example of a simple instructional material. ELT2 would cover the principles of curriculum design and the creation of effective learning materials, including the importance of visual aids and learner engagement. This poster could be analyzed in terms of its strengths and weaknesses as a learning tool. The next is let's move on to the assessment. The poster could be used as a basis for assessment. ELT2 would cover various assessment methods, and this material could be used to evaluate learners' understanding of idioms. The last one is the language policy implications. The use of idioms included reflects a particular language policy decision. The subject matter would explore how language policies influence the selection and presentation of language features in educational settings. For example, the absence of idioms from other languages or dialects could be a point of discussion. That's it. Thank you for listening.
This instructional materials is visually appealing and interactive, but it needs clearer and more concise text and improve readability for better effectiveness.